Hey everyone, welcome back. Are downloaded Crunchyroll episodes refusing to play offline, or is it just the download itself getting stuck partway through? Here's the fix. First, go to your settings, then go to Wi Fi and confirm that you have a strong connection since downloads that stall partway through are almost always caused by a weak or a dropped Wi-Fi signal during the download process. Next, go ahead and toggle Wi-Fi off and back on to refresh the connection. In the settings, go back and go to General, then go to iPhone storage. Confirm that you have enough free space since downloaded episodes need several hundred megabytes each and downloads fail silently when storage run out. Force close the Crunchyroll app from your recent apps and then reopen it on a strong connection to restart the stock download cleanly. If a previously downloaded episode won't play at all, it may have expired since offline downloads on Crunchyroll are time limited and need to be refreshed periodically by reconnecting to the internet and reopening the app. So all you gotta do is confirm a strong connection, free up storage, force close and reopen and remember downloads expire and need refreshing. Offline playback works again and that's it. Subscribe.